Want to post your own music on Instagram? Not music from Instagram's library, your original song. Here's exactly how to do it. First, make sure your music is already inside the video. You can do this using any video editor, even your phone's editor. The key is, Instagram does not let you upload raw audio files. So, your song must be part of the video itself. Now open Instagram. Tap the plus icon at the top. Choose Post. Select the video that includes your music. Tap Next, then tap Next again. Write a simple caption. You can mention that this is your original song. Now tap Share. That's it. Your post is now live with your own music, no copyright issues. If you want to upload music as Reels or get your song into Instagram's music library, that's a different process. Follow and subscribe for more Instagram creator tips.